What do you think? What's a big myth out there?
I think, quite frankly, depends on again. This goes back to the I don't let other people's obnoxious thoughts enter my thought line. But I've heard it all. I mean, if you go on LinkedIn, based on some of the posts, which, oh, by the way, I don't care how crappy you personally feel about your recruiting process you may be living. Can I just give you some advice? Please don't post any of that crap. I don't care. I don't care if you're ready to kill a recruiter. Please don't post that on LinkedIn. That stuff lives forever.
Yeah,
And not for nothing, most recruiters are going to go look at your LinkedIn profile
yeah,
first
for sure.
if you have one. So that's my first bit of advice. Don't put that crap out there. That does not do any favors. You want to have that conversation, go to the bar, go have that conversation with your friends. I- don't put that stuff in a network, in a platform that is designed for professional networking. That's number one.
Sure.
I've seen and heard all the myths. I don't know, quite frankly, how many of them are true or not true. Here's the one, my own personal thing that I won't ever do. You'll see on LinkedIn a lot of times it'll say, "Oh, jobs suggested for you," whatever, because you can fill them and you can click an apply button. I have never done that. If a job is available, I go right to that company site because the one thing I have personally experienced is there was a job that I thought was perfect for me. I hit the apply and then I never heard anything back. I didn't get the rejection email. I didn't get nothing.
Yeah.
Now, fortunately for me, I had a connection, a very senior connection at the organization, and I said, "This really doesn't sound like something you guys would do." Turns out the job wasn't real.
Yeah.
It was, and so I would say this: I don't care how imperfect the role seems. Um, go to the company site, their career site. Do not apply through any of the job boards because you
Hmm.
have no way of knowing how old they are, how real they are.
Yeah, for sure.
So my bit of advice would go straight to the company site.
Yeah. Yeah, to your point, Lynn, is I'm also finding that there's a lot more fraud this time around.